What is up, you guys? It's your girl Ashley, and I am back with another banger. Okay, today I'm here with the garbage disposal prank. Today I'm gonna be taking this fake blood, putting it all over my sleeve, and I'm gonna turn on the garbage disposal. I'm gonna act like my hand got caught in the garbage disposal. Excuse this kitchen. We are about to move. The people that, you know, rented this condo out to us, you know, kind of made it real raggedy, so we moving. But anyways, I just want to put that as a disclaimer. So we moving, so don't mind that stuff in the background. But put this fake blood on my arm. Y'all gonna get a good view of it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, hopefully it doesn't take forever in the bathroom, but we about to get into it. Okay.
Ashley, okay.
I need help. I need help. Ow, I need help. I need help. Ow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey.
What are you doing? No, it hurts. It's like literally in the sink. It's in the sink, DJ. It hurts. Ow, it hurts.
Hey. Okay, alright, let me take you to the car. We gotta go to the hospital.
No, I cannot go to the hospital. I don't want to pay the hospital bill.
Ashley, you lost your hand.
DJ, no. Ow.
Ashley, stop. You losing blood. You're losing blood. Stop.
Back up.
Ashley, I'm trying to help you.
I don't want you to touch it. I don't want you to touch it.
Ashley, I have to keep pressure on it.
No, just turn
I have to take you to the hospital.
Turn the water on. Turn the water on.
No.
Turn the water on.
Ashley, I have to take you to the hospital. Come on.
Ow.
Ashley, can you stop?
I don't want you to take me to the hospital. I don't want to pay that bill. It's gonna be like $45,000. No. Well, let's just get it out the garbage disposal. Let's just get it out the garbage disposal.
You're bleeding.
Please, no, I don't care.
You have
I don't care.
Ashley, you have to put pressure on it. Can you please stop? Let me help you. Oh my gosh. Babe.
I'm losing too much blood.
Babe, alright.
I'm losing too much blood.
Babe, we have to go to the hospital.
I'm losing too much.
Babe, stay. Open your eyes.
It hurts. It hurts.
Alright, come on. We have to. Let me take you to the freaking hospital.
It hurt worse. Move. Ooh.
Ashley,
it hurts so bad. I'm shaking.
Let me take you to the hospital.
No,
you're being dumb right now. You are being dumb. Give me.
Just back up.
I have to put
You're
pressure on it.
You're making it hurt worse. You're making it hurt worse.
Gosh, Ashley, seriously,
You're
what are you
making it hurt
doing?
worse.
I don't know what you want me to do. What do you want me to do? I need to take you to the emergency room. Ashley, Ashley, can you please stop?
I'm bleeding everywhere. This is so disgusting.
Ashley, seriously, can you stop? Give me your...
Back up. You're making it hurt worse. Get off. Get off. Get off.
Ashley. Oh my god. Ashley, I don't know what you're doing. What is going on in your head? You need to go to the emergency room and you're playing.
I'm not going. They're gonna charge me like $50,000. I don't want to go.
Ashley, I don't care about no damn money. Your hand is missing. Wait, hold up. What, are you playing? Can you stop? You get on my nerves.
Ow, why you gotta shake me?
That's not funny. Oh, that is not funny.
Oh my god, I got you good.
That's not funny.
I got you good.
Ashley.
Where's
the
camera's
camera?
right there. The camera's right there. Remember how we're moving? We got everything like stacked up. I put it between all this stuff.
You're really
and you
petty.
couldn't see it.
You're petty. I can't even see it there. Stop, Ashley. This isn't funny. I'm like, why doesn't she want to cooperate and go? Why wouldn't you want to go to the hospital?
I said it was gonna be an expensive hospital bill, and I don't got insurance, so it's like it made sense.
Actually, that does not matter. You lost your hand, and when you lose your hand, like you lose too much blood, you can die. You know that,
no,
right?
for real. I would really go if that happened. I would have no choice.
I hope so. That's not funny. You play too
much. That was hilarious, y'all.
That was not funny. That wasn't.
We
funny.
got them good. Make sure you like,
that was not
subscribe,
funny,
and comment below. We got them. And
Actually,
did I get you good?
That is no. Leave me alone.
Like I said, y'all, don't mind the mess in the back. We are currently moving soon. So, anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, do everything I just said. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe.